Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Mickey Monthly unboxing to share with you guys. I just got my most recent Mickey Monthly and I'm so excited to open it up and see what I have for this month. But I also wanted to remind you I am still doing my Mickey mystery bag giveaway, where every month when I receive my Mickey monthly box, what I do is I take some random item out of this bag, which is basically items that I purchased at the Disney parks when I last visited, and also some items from my previous Mickey monthlies that I just, for whatever reason, didn't want or need or use. So I thought it'd be fun to do a giveaway and share that with you guys. And I'll talk more about that towards the end of the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up my new Mickey monthly and see what we have this month. And I'm excited to see what we have for the month of May. Alright. I can tell right away I have a duplicate item. Alright, so here is the confetti. And here is what I see peeking through, which is something that I already have. And that is this really cute Tinkerbell mug. And I love this really cute Tinkerbell mug. It's really nice. This is the second time they did this. It's weird. Like I would think they would kind of keep track of their customers and recognize what they have sent them and what they haven't sent them, because Disney has so much to choose from. Like I don't understand how you could duplicate an item. But I already have this. It's super cute, but I'm gonna have to let them know that they gave me a duplicate. Okay. What else is in this bag? Oh, this is cute. So it's an eye mask, travel accessory gear, a sleep eye mask. And I really like this because it's the Haunted Mansion print. I don't know if you can see that, but it has the Haunted Mansion like wallpaper on here. And I love the Haunted Mansion. My first Judy and Burke handbag that I bought on my last trip was this exact pattern, except it was gray rather than the purple. But this is really, really cute. I like this a lot. What is this? It's like a little silk bag. This is interesting. Never grow up. I don't even know what this is about. This is new to me. It's like a little Mickey head. Let's see if I can show it to you guys. It's a little Mickey head that says never grow up in this little pouch. It's cute. Interesting. I'm not sure like what you're supposed to do with that, but that's really cute. I think that's everything. All right, well, so the three items were the eye mask, the little Mickey coin thing, and my Mornings Aren't Magical Tinkerbell mug, which I already have. So it's a little bit disappointing, I have to say, this month. Like, they've been doing a really good job for so long, so I'm so excited to open up my box, but it is disappointing when you receive something that you already have, especially when you're paying for it, you know, so you're hoping for a surprise for something that you don't have. But whatever, okay, I'll let them know. And yeah, so that is everything that I received for the month of May. And now let's randomly pick something out of this bag. So here is how we play. All you need to do is say the word mine in the description below. Mine. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, because you do need to be a subscriber to win. And go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And I will randomly pick a winner. It's usually at the end of the month. The very end of the month is when I get my Mickey monthly box. That is when I pull the winner, and then I do the unboxing for you guys. That's kind of like my routine and how I've been doing it. And again, I don't know if you've watched previous videos, it's nothing spectacular in here. Like, I'm not gonna pull out Judy and Burke. It's just like little knickknacks and things that I've received in previous unboxings. Okay, so. Oh, I know what this is. This is fun. Okay. So it's a little Mickey Mouse koozie, and if you watched my haul from Disney World, I purchased this. Actually, I think I purchased this in Hollywood Studios, and I thought my husband was gonna like think it was so cute and funny and he was gonna drink his beer out of this on our trip, but it just apparently wasn't his style. He wasn't about to put a Mickey head on his beer can. I don't know, go figure. So it is going to be my giveaway for this month. So if this is something that you would like to have, I think it's super fun, especially with the upcoming warmer months. If you're at a barbecue or something and you're a Disney fan, how cute would this be to put like your can of soda or beer or juice or whatever you're drinking and put it in this little, you know, can coolie thing. So go ahead and in the description below, say the word mine and you will be involved in this contest. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this month's unboxing. And if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram. I'm trying to build a family over there. And give this video a thumbs up again if you do enjoy these Mickey Monthly unboxing videos. Have a great week. Take care. Bye.